Hello traders, hope you had a great day, and today Victor with you here from the Forex Boat Trade Academy. We're here yet again with an idea. This time it is dollar versus Canadian dollar. But before we start, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. And as always, we will go through all currency pairs, all the ideas we had previously. So that starting off with the Australian Canadian dollar, we can see that the price is moving slowly towards the resistance, and it made half the way towards the resistance. Therefore, I think traders would be fixing half of the profit and moving stop loss to the break even. On the Australian Japanese yen, we almost did half a move at this high here. So same stop loss at break even and half profit fixed as usual. That would be good point. Australian Swiss franc, it's starting to move only now. It has been ranging still now third week, and I think the time has come. Obviously the stop loss to the break even could be a perfect idea. New Zealand Swiss franc, half profit almost reached. So here half profit, when it's half the way towards the target, maybe we can fix half profit and stop loss at the break even. New Zealand versus euro, this is the same scenario. Basically price has moved half the way, so yet again half profit fixed and stop loss at the break even, expecting the move to continue towards the support. Euro Australian dollar, here also we can secure basically the trade, stop loss at the break even, and waiting for this strong rally to begin. Finally we have started to print lower lows. No, we haven't. Price actually produced double bottom here, so definitely need to secure this one in case price wants to reverse. Australian versus dollar, what we have is slow uptrend, very slow. I guess it will continue that way, but obviously stop loss break even, half profit fixed. We are waiting for the first or the second resistance level. New Zealand Japanese yen almost reached the resistance, and as we said, it could be broken and price might actually test 71.00. So here same scenario, half profit fixed, stop loss to the break even. Yesterday we had this idea for the pound Canadian, pound Australian dollar. What I think, guys, is that there is still this possibility. We are out of this trade. Obviously it got invalidated when it went above this critical point, but overall it still remains below the previously made high. So the downtrend is valid. The overall downtrend is still valid. So while the idea is invalidated, I will keep it on just to see what happens and if we can reach this support at some time in the future. Australian versus New Zealand dollar, this has been tricky one, and you can see that price attempted to break below the moving average. There was massive support formed, although price broke below, so this idea got invalidated. We will not get back to this one. So yeah, unfortunately on Australian and Japanese yen didn't work out. Now today we have dollar versus Canadian dollar. And here what we see is basically the downtrend trend line, which I have drawn using this basically triangle formed. We can see that previously there was a triangle and price broke to the downside and tested this low at 133.18. So what we have, let's go back. Here we have uptrend trend line, which is rejected, and price now attempted to break below once again. So price is at the trend line once again. The second thing is the Fibonacci. I have used this Fibs to this last wave to the upside here produced, and we have 61.8% retracement level. If I move to the daily chart, we see the price failed to close below. It closed right at the Fibs. So daily Fibonacci is holding. Now let's move to the 1 hour chart, and there is another interesting thing I wanted to share with you. Here we had this clean rejection of this level, and then price broke above the previous high. Currently we are attempting to break below this level. And I think the safest way to go with this idea would be to wait until 1 and 4 hour close will be will close above this 61.8 pips at 135.73. So 1 hour or 4 hour and even daily close could be the confirmation, because on daily we need to remain above this. So this, just to play it safe, basically, yeah, to wait a little bit and see what happens. And then if there will be 1 hour close above this level, this will be just perfect. If not, we need to see what will be happening on the 4 hour time frame, where the price will close, not above. So this hour could be actually very important. So to play it safe, definitely need to wait for this closing price. If it closes above, we can expect the trend to go up towards the resistance level between 137.61 and 137.68. This resistance is confirmed by 2 fips. First, I applied Fibonacci to this corrective wave down, and we have 127% fips here. Second one, I've applied fips to this wave down, where we had a rejection of the downtrend trend line for the last time, and it corresponds to 61.8 fips here. So this is a key resistance area, and we need to see also if it reached whether broken or not, because if it's broken, there could be much stronger upside move. And finally, we have this downtrend, which also corresponds to this resistance area, where price might reach and even spike to test the trend line. So here is one more wave, short wave is expected on this pair, but only as long as this support holds. Because if there will be break below this support, break and close and forward chart, this definitely invalidates the idea, and I think price will be going lower. Even daily close to watch will be very important, because we see the spike produced. If there will be a close on the daily chart below this level at 135.44, it also will invalidate this bullish scenario, and price might be going lower. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We will see you tomorrow with updates and idea as usual. Don't forget to smash your like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and till next time, see you soon.